Hello, my name is Yasmin Garcia Hernandez, and I will be talking about insulation. In terms of appeal, insulation is energy efficient. It keeps homes warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Not only that, all insulation materials reduce pollutants and greenhouse gas emissions by reducing heating and air conditioning requirements of a building, which means it's also environmentally friendly. When it comes to functionality, for optimal energy efficiency, a home should be properly insulated from the roof down to its foundation, so the outside must not disrupt the inside of a structure, which means it should be in the attic, basement, exterior walls, floors, and garages. Two types of insulation out of the many that I chose are loose fill and batts and blankets. Loose fill is composed of materials in bulk form and is an ideal insulator because it can fill in spaces that are hard to reach. Batts and blankets are flexible insulation made from fiberglass, mineral wool, cotton, and wood fibers, and recycled plastic materials. They can be used for walls, floors, or ceilings. And one of the many purposes as to why insulation is used is because it slows the rate of heat transfer. This is true in both hot and cold climates. In cold climates, it is intended to stop the flow of heat out of the building. In hot climates, its purpose is to slow the movement of heat into the building. It also controls moisture. If air can pass through, it can leave vapor behind, creating mold and fungus. And it can also absorb sound, reducing the unwanted noise from appliances, audio equipment, conversation, and other sources transmitted through your walls and floors. When it comes to structural integrity and durability, spray foam insulation, wrap tape, and house wrap insulation can last for more than 80 years, according to the International Association of Certified Home Inspectors. Cellulose, loose fill, foam board, and rock wool insulation can last up to 100 years, on the other hand. Walls that are regularly subjected to creaking or moving have a lack of racking strength, which means the wall cannot hold its shape under duress. This can be improved by the presence of spray foam insulation. When it comes to reactions and relationships, any punctured surfaces can render an entire length of insulation ineffective. Batt insulation such as cellulose or fiberglass can fall down from ceilings and crawl spaces after about 15 years. If this happens, any blank spots created might harbor mold growth. Over time, these gaps can become dirty or be bogged down by dust. Dirty insulation segments are less effective than untouched sections, and they can quickly become degraded. And if anyone is exposed to fiberglass insulation, their skin can get irritated, and if they have allergies, they can be triggered. And here are my sources.